Hi there, so I've got some fantastic news for everyone. I'm going to release 3 videos per week for the next 4 weeks, starting from Monday the 30th of November. And they're going to get released on a Monday, on a Wednesday and on a Friday at 12 noon each on them days. So watch out for the videos dropping. If you've already subscribed, then great. Click on that bell icon to make sure you get notified. If you're new to the channel, by the way, subscribe. I don't know why you haven't. And click on that bell icon. And the videos are going to vary each time from learn to drive. It could be anything from clutch control to dual carriageways, to passing your driving test, to leading up to your driving test, to driving test nerves, to post-test nerves, to reviews on car dash cams. Anything I can do over the next month, I'm going to put in there. So good luck. I hope you enjoy them. By the way, if you have got your test coming up, good luck with your driving test. December is a good month, so look out for them tests. If you're new to driving in December, or you're just starting out, then click on them, subscribe, and watch out for them videos. And don't forget, I've got lots of videos in them playlists, so watch them as well. Good luck, and feel free to share the video. Take care.